welcomes you all. In this video we are going to learn about function. Functions are the basic building block of calculus. Functions are used to convert the real world phenomena to the mathematical model. Before going to the definition, we just consider a machine. To this machine, input is given here. The machine processes with that input, it will produce some output. Suppose the machine is oil extracting machine. Groundnut seeds are given as an input to this machine. The machine processes with that, it will give the output as groundnut oil. Suppose the machine is flour making machine. Rice may be given as a output to this machine. The machine process with that, it will produce a rice flour as output. Suppose the machine is a rice processing machine. Body may be given as a input to this machine. The machine process with that, it will give the rice as an output. We may consider function as a machine. The inputs x are given here. The function process with that x, it will produce output as f of x. For example, f of x, which is equal to 3x plus 5. Suppose the input x, which is equal to 4, is given to this function. It will process with that, it will give the output 17. Suppose the function is 2x square plus 1 and x, which is equal to 3, is given as input to this function. It will process with that 3, it will give the output as 19. Now we are going to the definition of the function. We consider two non-empty sets. Let x and y be two non-empty sets. A function f from capital X to capital Y is a rule which assigns to each element x belongs to x exactly one element, or a unique element y belongs to capital Y. If an element small x belongs to capital X is associated with an element small y belongs to capital Y, then the small y is called the image of x under the function f, or the value of the function f at x. Also, the x is called the pre-image of y under the function. The set capital X is called the domain of the function f, and y, capital Y, is called the codomain of the function f. The set of all f images is called the range of f and is denoted by f of capital X. These things are given by diagram. Here capital X is a set which is a domain, and capital Y is another set which is codomain to the function f. Suppose x is an element in the domain which is mapped with y belongs to capital Y by the function f. Here the y, which is denoted by f of x. F of x is the image of x, and x is called the pre-image of y, or pre-image of f of x. The collection of all images is denoted by f of capital X, which is called range of the function. Okay, fine, thank you.